Welcome students, right? We were talking of class 11 sociology. We are continuing with chapter number 1, sociology and society, right? So when you go further, page number 6, it is given introducing sociology. So students, just I want to tell you, this is very good chapter which you have to take care, right? Now you see here, I will be giving you the notes also. Now how it is interconnected, right? So students, we are talking of lesson number 1, again I repeat, introducing sociology. Now you know, sociology has been defined by different scientists with the different names. So here, number 1 definition: to study society as an interconnected whole. So to study society as an interconnected whole, that means it is related with the economic, right? What is economic? Economic is anything related with the value, which is concerned with the money, right? Second, with political. What is political? With the politics. So we are going to interconnect all the things, and followed by cultural. Cultural means there are different institutions related to the religion, right? Related to the development of the society, and very important comes over here, educational institution. Now this is the one where we are working on it. See, why you go to a private school? That is the thing, because in the private school you may get the educations better than dash. Okay, I am not comparing, just I am giving you some example, right? Now when you are talking of the educational institutions, right? So in that educational institutions you are going to compare the all the things related with the cultural, with the politics, with the economics. Now related to sociology, the term was given by Auguste Comte. Now he is a very famous philosopher and sociologist who was from France, right? And French sociologist I mentioned over there, who has done a lot for the society. Now do not forget, he is also known as the father of the sociology. So father of the sociology, when you go further, you will see there will be 1 mark questions in your annual examination and a long question related to the sociology. And he was embossed as the first thinker. He was the first thinker who has made a scope of sociology as a discipline. So he was made a scope for how sociology is important to the societies, how they have done a lot of contribution to our enrichment, right? Previous life and nowadays life, you just compare how the things were happening over there. So Auguste is very important when you come to. Now do not forget, when they ask you a question related, define or importance of sociology. So the word sociology has derived from the Latin word, and again I repeatedly tell you, these 2 words are being given. Socius means company, associate or society. Wherever you stay in the society, you need company, right? Our company may be our parents, our grandparents who may be very close to you. Nowadays we are following nuclear family system. So once we get holiday, we go and try to meet, and in the society there are our people, our neighbors, right? Or the people whom we are interconnected. So the companion, the friend, or your father and mother, or the people who are connected over here. And logos means the study of science, right? Sometimes very short formula we talk about, it is science of society, right? Sociology is also known as the science of the society. Now further when you go, some philosopher they have also mentioned, it is the study of moral social life, groups and society. right? when you are talking of the class 4 employees, right, who are the sweepers or who are the housemaid or servants coming to your house, how they are compared with the scientists or educational people. So study of human social life, groups and society, and another scientist they define study of moral or immoral in human behavior. Now moral and immoral. Now what is moral? Everyone in the life we say we should have a moral value. What is the moral value? Right? We must respect our parents, we must respect our teachers, we must respect our politicians, but sometimes we do argue and we talk about against the society or the politician or the people who is the ruling over here. I am going to explain those things over there in the coming. Now, there is one more. When you talk of the unsuspected connections, the notes will be followed with this. So you are going to see what are the unsuspected connections are given, which is defined on the page 8. So this will be given to you, and one assignments I will give to you. You will see this one and you will try to understand what to mean by this. This is a very good question which always come an interconnected video. Unsuspected connections, business, right? When you are talking of unsuspected connections, that means a business which is running by the forefather, a business which runs by the forefather. What do you mean by forefather? Okay, what do you mean by forefather? That means which is coming from where? Which is coming from genetically. Okay, so you can see lot of business like let's say Reliance, okay, let's say Tata. So their family members only taking care one by one. They study abroad and do their qualification, management courses, and they develop the business, right? Then again, we will see in the society, most of the doctors, their family, their daughter, their son, right? They will be doctors only. Same with the engineers. So this is unsuspected connections. That means very clear definitions what is coming from our ancestors, and we may follow like there's so many shops you will see which has opened a long time back. They are being connected over there. Same with the politicians. When we talking of the politicians, their daughter or son, we can talk about so many people over here. Mulayam Singh Yadav of Samajwadi Party, Lalu Prasad, right? Their son and daughter, they have taken care and they have replaced their father or their people over there. So this is unsuspected connections have very transparent related. And one more definition I tell you about the film stars. You talk of any film stars, or let's take of our mega star Amitabh Bachchan. He is also following the same thing. His son, right, is following Abhishek Bachchan coming. So there are many examples where you are able to find out, and you are going to correlate all those things over there. Now here, there is a big question, common sense, understanding Americans and Europe I have made over there. What do you understand by this common sense? What is that common sense? Now there is a very common. Common sense is not common, right? This is an idiom over there. And another one we say, honesty is the best policy. So there will be different definition. Now, when you are talking of the understanding of the common sense, right? How it is correlated. How it is correlated. Very simple. You should be mentally and physically fit. You should be mentally and physically fit. So common sense will be going to here. When you talk of this American and European, right? We say white people are the blood. Common sense and understanding, right? Common sense and understanding. Now this is what we say talking when you talk of the dress, right? These people, they always have formal dress. So, and they do follow the common sense. That doesn't mean that they are superior than any other people or any other society like that. So they are having one particular thinking. Okay, if we wear the coat, if we wear the trouser and we put the tie, this will be shows better. And slowly we are coming up to these things. Like all the students are wearing the tie now. This has come from the Western culture, European culture. This is what the chapter you are going to see how it is very much connected, right? So very interesting. When you go further, we are going to decide how the society is compared with our Indian society, and there are many sociological thinkers are there. So till that I follow you the notes. Kindly have a look on the notes and kindly take care and subscribe to the channel. Thank you very much. Thank you.